Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. Before starting, update your server packages. To install Arduino, write the following command in your console. When the installation is completed, enter this command to give access to your server for use Arduino. After that, reboot the server. If you want to install Arduino by snap packages, you need to install snapped on your server. After this, enable classic snap support for Arduino on Ubuntu by this command. Install core snap packages on Ubuntu for Arduino by this command. Install Arduino on Ubuntu via this snap command. Once the installation is completed, reboot the server. To access to your Arduino, you need to install this desktop on your server, enter your server, and search for Arduino in application. Congratulations, you have installed Arduino on your server. Now you can use it.